This isn't cooking, but it's a tasty little starter that's guaranteed to put your guests in the mood for what's to come and give your barbecue a great kick-off. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, everyone. Now, I've said it many times before, when I invite friends around for a barbecue, I like to give them something to eat and drink as soon as they arrive. And this cracking little starter fits the bill perfectly. First, you will need a food processor and the ingredients on my tray. Pitted black olives, anchovies, capers, lemon juice and Dijon mustard. To the small bowl I'm adding 250 grams of pitted black olives, then a tablespoon of capers, 5 anchovy fillets, followed by 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Now take half a lemon and extract the juice. Add it to the bowl together with a good grind of black pepper. Put the lid on and click it into place. Blend all the ingredients for 30 seconds. Now scrape everything from the side of the bowl. Replace the lid and remove the stopper from the feed tube. Now, with the Magimix running, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil via the feed tube until it is completely absorbed. And that's the tapenade made. Take a stick of French bread and cut it into fairly thick slices. I'm using my Jono bread knife. It goes through this bread like butter. The Weber Q is warmed up and ready to toast. It sounds like we have some seagulls flying around. Yet here, we're over 100 miles from the sea. Better not take my eye off the toast in case I burn it. If I do, I always say the char adds to the flavour. Yes, they are done. To assemble these tasty treats, load up the toast with tapenade, ready to serve. And that, folks, is my Tapenade Toasties. That really go well with a cold beer. The tapenade can be made well in advance and stored in the fridge. So all you have to do is toast the bread before getting on with the main course. If you've enjoyed this video or would like to know more about how I use my Weber Q, or indeed this recipe, then all you have to do is sub my channel. Simply click the button below, activate and ding the bell, and leave your question in the comments box. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Now, here's the recipe recap. I have to say, that's a tasty little starter that goes down well at any barbecue. You can modify the flavour by using herbed or Greek style olives. Just be sure to pit them first. Well, that's all for this time, so until the next time, it's goodbye from me, the dude of the food, the old geezer at the grill. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.